Ever wonder how your car knows how fast it's revving? That's a little magic performed by a device called a tachometer. But what is a tachometer and how does it work? Dive with me into the world of tachometers and you'll be amazed at the sophisticated engineering behind this seemingly simple device. A tachometer, in essence, is an instrument that measures the rotation speed of a shaft or disc, typically in a motor or other machine. The term comes from the Greek words tachos and metron, which means speed and measure, respectively. So, a tachometer is essentially a speed measurer. Now let's unpack how it does this. First off, there are two main types of tachometers: analog and digital. Analog tachometers use a needle on a dial to show the RPM, revolutions per minute, while digital ones display the RPM on an electronic screen. But they both work on the same principle. They measure the time interval between rotations and use this to calculate the RPM. To do this, a tachometer needs a sensor, something that can detect each rotation. This sensor can be optical, magnetic, or even a simple switch. The sensor generates an electrical signal each time it detects a rotation. The faster the shaft or disc spins, the more signals the sensor sends per minute. Next, the tachometer needs to count these signals. This is where the magic happens. The tachometer uses a circuit called a frequency-to-voltage converter to turn the frequency of the signals into a voltage. This voltage can then be used to move the needle on an analog tachometer or displayed on a digital tachometer. Finally, the tachometer needs to convert this voltage into an RPM reading. This is done using a simple mathematical formula. RPM equals 60 divided by the time interval between signals. This gives the number of rotations per minute, which is then displayed on the tachometer. So, to summarize, a tachometer works by using a sensor to detect rotations, a frequency-to-voltage converter to count these rotations, and a mathematical formula to convert this count into an RPM reading. It's a clever piece of engineering that allows us to measure the speed of a rotating shaft or disc. But where do we find tachometers? You'll find them in cars, boats, aircraft, and many industrial machines. Anywhere there's a need to monitor the speed of a rotating part, you'll likely find a tachometer. So, that's the fascinating world of tachometers explained. Who knew that such a simple device could be so intricate and essential? The next time you glance at your car's tachometer, you'll know exactly how it's telling you the revs of your engine. It's not just a dial on your dashboard. It's a marvel of engineering that gives you vital information about your vehicle's performance. So, hats off to the humble tachometer, the unsung hero of the automotive world.